Hey guys, this is Hokma Finance Canada. In this video, we will learn how to view Milestone Awards history in WestJet. We will also include links for some of the banking products we recommend in the description below. To start, open the website westjet.com, then click on the Sign In button. Next, on the fields provided, enter your email or WestJet Rewards ID and password. Then click on Sign In. Once you're signed in, you will see several tabs at the upper part of the screen. Click on the tab that says WestJet Rewards. A drop-down list will then appear. From the options provided, click on the option that says View My Account. Then on this page, scroll down a little. You will then see a section for Milestone Awards. Click on the text that says View Milestone Awards History. That's how you view your Milestone Awards history in WestJet. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.